This is Adam Francis Construction, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a water play unitronics screen. This is pretty universal though. Should work for any unitronics PLC. Okay, so these ports are going to stay the same. We have all of our input ports here. The first thing that you need to check whenever this is a problem is to make sure there's no issues with the transformer. So this receives 24 volt power from this 120 to 24 volt AC transformer. We've checked it, it's good. There's no fuse issues, there's no grounding problems. It's just the screen is bricked. You can see it's red and flashing there. So we're just going to turn off power to the whole cabinet and remove these ports right here. Okay, so then the last thing is this cable for the port. That's actually for the router board. That's just for them to know if it gets damaged in shipping or not. And then removing these screws here. Okay, so we've got that out. So this is the old weather seal right here. You can leave, if it's good, you can leave it. If not, you can just use the new one. Should come with it. So this is our new Unitronics PLC. You can program these in the field if you have the SD card. It'll be right here. You can load the program onto it after it's already in the field. We tend to do it in the office though, it's easier. And now we'll just push this into here. Before I put everything back though, I usually like to check to make sure that there's no issues with the PLC. Let's see. Before I clip it in. Make sure all those ports are pushed in good. Router board clip is in. Give it a minute. Yep, and there it is. It's on. Water play. You have all your options. Let's see. The first thing to check would be to make sure that all your outputs work. So I would just go into valve test and just try some valves. Just maybe one. And now you see that it works. That's good for the outputs. And then I would have someone go check your activator to test your inputs to know that all of your inputs are plugged in well and that everything is working with it. But yeah, that's it. And then the only other thing you'd have to do would be to go into schedule and then update your time, operating hours and everything like that. And that's it for this.